Welcome to Ledger Life. Today we are getting into a new player making waves in the ICP world, Bob. If you have been keeping an eye on the Internet Computer Protocol, you have probably heard all the buzz around this exciting new project. Bob is taking the meme economy by storm, challenging traditional mining models with its innovative approach. Let's unpack what makes Bob such a hot topic right now and explore how it's shaking things up in the blockchain space. Bob has surprised everyone in the ICP community, and it's all anyone can talk about in the space. If Bitcoin blew apart the traditional finance system, then Bob is here to do the same for the meme economy. With its quirky blend of innovation, competition, and accessibility, Bob has become a hot topic, and for good reason. Built on top of the ICP network, it brings a fun yet functional approach to blockchain mining, attracting everyone from tech-savvy miners to casual crypto enthusiasts. What makes Bob particularly exciting is that it offers a sense of competition while keeping the entry process simple and accessible. The network is growing fast with over 9,000 miners, and more blocks are added to the blockchain every day. So far, more than 1,800 blocks have been mined, and the total supply of Bob tokens sits at 21 million, ensuring that there is plenty of room for growth. The reward structure is built to keep things exciting and competitive. Every 17,500 blocks, the block reward halves, meaning that miners who get in early stand to benefit the most. At the current pace, this halving happens every 88 days, ensuring that the reward system remains dynamic. As the number of miners grows, the race for rewards intensifies. Bob's mining speed is impressive too. With the current hash rate at 6 million hashes per second and around 10,000 miners in action, it takes an average of 600 seconds to mine a block. But the fun doesn't stop there. There is no limit on the number of miners who can join. Anyone can get in on the action by paying a small fee to be selected by the mother node. Once they are up and running, it's all about speed and strategy. On the economic side, Bob has some interesting mechanics thanks to its integration with ICP's cycle system. Cycles on ICP are like fuel that powers smart contracts. Miners on Bob need cycles to run their canisters and solve hashes. Here is how it works. $1 buys 1 trillion cycles, and a miner's program uses 1 trillion cycles per day when operating at full speed. Miners can choose how fast they want to run their programs, which impacts how many problems they solve each day. Slower speeds use fewer cycles, while faster speeds burn through them more quickly. If a miner's program runs out of cycles, it stops until refueled, so it's crucial to keep an eye on those resources. Getting started is easy. All you need to do is head over to bob.fun, add some ICP to your treasury, and set up your own miner. Within minutes, you are ready to start competing for Bob tokens, and the whole process is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. Whether you are a seasoned blockchain enthusiast or a newcomer to the space, Bob makes it easy to dive right in. Community reactions have been swift and full of excitement. Dominic Williams, the founder of ICP, recently tweeted about how compute on the ICP network grew 20 times in just a few days, thanks to the explosive popularity of Bob. He joked about whether this rapid growth should be classified as progress or a stress test. This cheeky note perfectly captures the enthusiasm and buzz that's surrounding Bob right now. Of course, not everyone is convinced that Bob is the future of meme or mining pools. A user named snazzy.icp raised concerns about the effectiveness of mining pools for Bob. Since Bob's miners don't produce new blocks but instead compete for the chance to mint tokens, some feel it's more like a lottery than traditional blockchain mining. In their view, joining a mining pool in this setup doesn't make much sense because the expected value of mining might not justify the cost of participation. That said, others like Bon Wumpo argue that mining pools will be a game changer for Bob and the wider crypto community. He likens it to a group study session. While solo miners might struggle, those in pools can combine their computational resources, making the process more efficient. For Bob miners, this means they can work together to solve problems faster, potentially increasing their chances of earning tokens. According to Wumpo, the rewards may be split, but pooling resources can make mining more accessible and profitable for everyone involved. This debate about whether Bob's mining model is more like a lottery or a community-driven collaboration is part of what makes it so intriguing. On one hand, there is the thrill of competition, with miners racing to be the first to solve the next hash and claim the reward. On the other, the idea of collaboration through mining pools introduces a new layer of strategy and social engagement. It's this blend of competition, fun, and community spirit that has so many people excited about Bob's potential. Ultimately, Bob represents a new frontier in meme culture. By building on top of ICP's secure and scalable network, Bob manages to be both technically impressive and accessible to a wide range of users. The system is designed to encourage participation from everyone, regardless of technical expertise or financial resources. As more people join the Bob ecosystem, it's clear that the project is here to stay. Whether you are in it for the fun, the competition, or the potential rewards, Bob offers something for everyone. With its playful yet powerful approach to blockchain mining, it's no wonder that Bob is blowing up the meme factories and the internet. And that's a wrap on our look at Bob and its impact on the meme economy. Whether you are intrigued by its unique mining model or excited about the competitive edge it brings to the table, Bob is certainly making its mark. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Ledger Life. Drop your thoughts and questions about Bob in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.